case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1970, the Nebraska Supreme Court heard the case of Locke v. Packard Flying Service, Inc., which highlighted the need for a direct link between a defendant's actions and the plaintiff's injury for the defendant to be held responsible. The lawsuit was brought by a woman who was injured in a plane crash when her husband flew a plane missing its rudder. The husband had not noticed the missing rudder during a pre-flight inspection, even though it was an open and obvious defect. The defendant, a repair service, had removed the rudder for maintenance but did not leave a warning. The court's task was to determine whether the defendant's failure to warn was the direct cause of the accident and the plaintiff's injuries. In the end, the majority opinion sided with the defendant, maintaining that it was the pilot's responsibility to ensure the plane's airworthiness. The court ruled that the defendant was not negligent for not providing a warning about the missing rudder, since it was an evident issue that any reasonable pre-flight inspection would have identified. Additionally, the court found that the defendant's actions only created a condition for the accident to occur, rather than being the direct cause. Instead, the pilot's negligence was determined to be the sole cause of the accident, thereby breaking the causal link to the plaintiff's injuries. Consequently, the court absolved the defendant of liability for the injuries sustained in the airplane accident.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.